Bitcoin trades above $51,500. Ether stays below $3,000. South Africa eyes stablecoins and blockchain for digital payments. DogeCoin to be extradited to US following last-ditch effort in Montenegrin court. Paris Saint-Germain begins Web3 Drive as a new blockchain validator for Chile's chain. Citria secures $2.7 million seed funding for Bitcoin ZK rollup. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDM markets were trading higher despite profit-taking witnesses in the overall market. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, traded above the $51,500 crucial mark. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 2.5% at 67,000 points. In uninteresting news, the daily trading volume for the US-based spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds has reached its highest level since mid-Jan, reaching a multi-week high of $2.58 billion. While BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin BTC ETF recorded the highest volume at $623.89 million, while Grayscale converted GBTC fund in second place at $619.76 million. However, the waiting game has so far played out negatively as investors are seen using price rally cash out. However, a crypto analyst has predicted that the price might continue to surge, highlighting the enduring strength of Bitcoin's upward momentum. Well, on the economic front, a study of the minutes from the most recent FOMC meeting of the Federal Reserve indicated that officials were primarily concerned about the possibility of cutting interest rates too soon, analysts said. In other news, the price of Ether, native token to the Ethereum network, has moderated slightly after claiming $3,000 for the first time since April 2022. Interestingly, a whale-level cryptocurrency investor has amassed around 24,380 ETH worth $71 million from the Kraken exchange since May 24, 2023, according to data provider LookOnChain. If Ethereum breaches the $3,000 mark, the whale's ETH holdings would be worth approximately $73.1 million, bringing an unrealized profit of $19 million. The global crypto market cap was at $1.99 trillion mark, increasing 2.5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume decreased by 8% to $84 billion. Well, Binance, a major cryptocurrency exchange, has imposed a price cap on Tether tokens on its peer-to-peer platform in Nigeria to comply with local regulatory requirements. The move comes amid Nigerian authorities' efforts to regulate cryptocurrency trading and combat forex speculation. Furthermore, BNB Chain has reached 1.2 million active users despite legal battles with the US SEC. The number of active users has increased sixfold in the last 4 years, indicating strong network adoption. Moving on, the Shiba Inu burn rate has dropped significantly in the past 24 hours, indicating a decrease in users' involvement in reducing the meme coin supply. However, as the market recovered, the interest in burning SHIB tokens waned, with only 2 burn transactions recorded in the last 24 hours. US stock futures traded higher, boosted by a jump in Nvidia shares as the chip giant posted record revenue and issued upbeat guidance. S&P 500 futures rose 0.75% and Nasdaq 100 futures gained 1.48%. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.12% respectively. If we talk about Bitcoin, it was trading at $51,860, up by 2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was also up 4%, trading at $3,015. Well, BNB was up by 6% to trade at $381. Next on the list, Solana Sol was up by 3.5% and was trading at $106.4. If we talk about Cardano's ADA token, it was up by 3.5% to trade at $0.60. Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $37.9, higher by 3.8%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 3% to trade at $0.97. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 2.5% at $0.084. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. It was trading up by 2.5%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.54, up by 2.3%. And Polkadot was up by 4% to trade at $7.6.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The annual budget of South Africa revealed its treasury's plan to promote the adoption of digital payments, which includes analyzing stablecoins and blockchain to improve the lives and livelihoods of marginalized groups. The country's 2024 budget review highlighted the need for structural reforms and a focus on improving public financial management. While detailing its plan to promote digital payments, the Treasury announced a nearing policy change on crypto assets, specifically for stablecoins. The working group published a crypto regulation paper in June 2021, which will be amended to include stablecoins into the crypto asset class, in addition to finalizing a diagnostic of the domestic stablecoin landscape. Additionally, the Financial Intelligence Center Act could be amended to require all institutions to report crypto transactions over 49,999 South African Rand worth $2,650. South Africa will also study the impact of blockchain-based tokenization on domestic financial markets. Terraform Labs co-founder DogeCoin, who has sent in Montenegro since his arrest in March 2023, will reportedly be extradited to the United States to face fraud charges. According to a Feb 21st report from Montenegrin news outlet Pobeda, the High Court of Podrigo rejected a request to extradite Coin to South Korea before the United States. The decision followed an appeal by Coin's legal team, arguing that Montenegro's justice minister had the final authority to decide on the Terraform co-founder's extradition, a claim the High Court rejected. It's unclear when Coin will travel to the United States. After the collapse of Terra in May 2022, his whereabouts were largely unknown until March 2023, when Montenegrin authorities arrested Coin for using falsified travel documents. He was sentenced to 4 months in prison and has been involved in extradition proceedings while in custody. French football giant Paris Saint-Germain is set to deepen its Web3 and SportFi involvement by becoming a validator for fan token blockchain Chiliz. PSG becomes the first major football club to become a blockchain protocol validator and is set to reinvest revenue derived from its validator to buy back PSG fan tokens. The move is touted to create a self-sustaining digital economy for the club and its fan base. The Chiliz chain is the infrastructure underpinning Socios, the platform that issues and manages fan token of over 150 professional football clubs and sports teams across multiple codes. PSG was an early adopter of the technology and launched its fan token on Chiliz in September 2018. The club intends to explore opportunities in the broader cryptocurrency, Web3 and SportsFi space. Helguson, who took up the club's recently created head of Web3 position, spearheads efforts to explore alternative financial opportunities in the ecosystem. Chainway Labs, the blockchain infrastructure firm behind Citria, a project focusing on bridging zero-knowledge rollups, has secured $2.7 million in seed funding with Galaxy Ventures, the venture arm of Galaxy Digital, leading the round. The funding will support the development and market launch of Citria. Citria aims to leverage zero-knowledge technology to enhance Bitcoin's block space, enabling the creation of various applications directly on the Bitcoin blockchain. The round saw participation from investors including Delphi Ventures, Eric Wall, Anurag Arjun, Baturex, Igor Barinov, and James Perillo, among others. Citria has unveiled a roll-up solution fueled by zero-knowledge technology to tackle Bitcoin's limitations in managing increased transactions and accommodating various applications without altering its consensus rules. This approach utilizes Bitcoin not only as a cryptocurrency but also as a foundational layer for the security and finalization of transactions. Now let's go to Shikhar Singh to get an update of the buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Ethereum. A whale-level cryptocurrency investor has amassed around 24,380 Ethereum worth $71 million from the Kraken exchange since May 24, 2023. The investor currently holds these assets at an average price of $2,180, resulting in an unrealized profit of $16.8 million. The whale recently purchased an additional 2,000 Ethereum with their closest prior purchase on February 19. If Ethereum breaches the $3,000 marks threshold again, the whale's ETH holdings would be worth approximately $73.1 million, bringing an unrealized profit of $19 million. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu burn rate has dropped significantly in the past 24 hours, indicating a decrease in users' involvement in reducing the meme coin supply. Interest in burning SHIB tokens was high at the beginning of the year, using fees generated from Ethereum layer 2 network Shibarium. However, as the market recovered, interest in burning SHIB tokens waned, with only 2 burn transactions recorded in the last 24 hours. The weekly chart shows a 38% decline in burn rate in the last 7 days, with $64.85 million token worth around $611 burned. Next on the list, we have BNB. BNB chain has released 1.2 million active users despite legal battles with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. The number of active users has increased 6-fold in the last 4 years, indicating strong network adoption. In 2023, BNB chain made significant progress with increased activity and positive market changes, with Binance Smart Chain and OpenBNB demonstrating impressive scalability. Next on the list, we have Render. Render has seen a significant price increase due to growing interest in AI and generative content in media. The company has executed rendering jobs for high-profile projects like Labs Vegas Sphere and Apple's Vision Pro. AI advancements like OpenAI Sora demonstrates the potential of high-fidelity generative content. NVIDIA, with a market cap of $1.72 trillion, has also experienced a significant year. Last on the list, we have the Graph token. The Graph token price has risen 55% in the past 6 days, reaching $0.26, driven by network expansion, bullish rounding bottom patterns, and AI sector's uplift from OpenAI's Sora launch. Graph's official Twitter account shows a 65% increase in Q4 2023 queries, reaching 958 million. The adoption of Layer 2 has been substantial, with 83% of stake tokens on Layer 2, migration of 60% of queries and fees, and deployment of nearly 300 new subgraphs. Graph has partnered with Coinbase and Aave to attract larger audiences.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website at www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.